If you're looking for an affordable handheld marine radio, this Retevis RM15 is a compact, waterproof, and packed with features every boater should have. The RM15 is IP68 waterproof and it floats if dropped overboard. It even activates a flashing light and alarm to help you locate it. It delivers up to 6 watts of transmit power, includes NOAA weather alerts, and features dual way noise reduction for clearer communication. The built in 2000 mAh battery provides long operating time, and the USB C charging makes it easy to recharge at home, in your truck, or even on the boat. But we like to take products out where we use them. And as you can see, that's in the water on the boat. So very good. We believe in redundancy on our boats. So not only do we have a mount base radio, VHF, we also have this handheld radio, which will be carried with us at all times. Normally what we'll do is we'll put this in a ditch bag for, God forbid something ever happened, that you would have it and be able to communicate. So has a lot of functions on there. I'll list them, all of the key high points on this video, and has a nice little light that you can turn on that's here. Whether you're fishing offshore, cruising the coast, or keeping one as a backup radio, the Retevis RM15 offers solid performance and excellent value.